Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what's going on with Gala. But before that, let's see what's going on with Bitcoin because that's very important. Bitcoin is, has, you know, it was um, in this pattern, okay? It was in this pattern. It's an ascending triangle, but it broke to the downside because within that ascending triangle, it created a bearish pattern. It created a head and shoulder pattern like that, and the target is usually from the top to the bottom. Okay, and you can see it's trying to get over there right now, but it also created something in the 5-minute chart. Okay, as you can see that it was in this descending triangle. Once it broke out, okay, the descending triangle target is from the top to the bottom, and it is trying to get there at the moment. Okay, right over there. Okay. So unless it creates a reversal pattern and tries to go to the upside, okay? But overall, I want to show you something in the big picture. Let me show you. Just take this off. Quickly, let me just cover Bitcoin because it's important because Bitcoin is moving the market right now pretty drastically. Okay, if you go to the weekly, the daily time frame, okay, this Bitcoin chart, okay, it was in this run over here. It had this pattern for itself. Okay, it made this left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. Okay, and then it had a technical target to the downside. Okay, and when it broke out, you can see it met its technical target, and where it made like a, like a, you could call this a descending I mean falling wedge, and broke out of it. Okay, now over here as well, you can see that it did something similar. Okay, you can see where it created this formation. Okay, right over there, and then right over there, right over there, and then it had a technical target to the downside, and let's see if it got it. Yeah, wherever it broke out from, you can see it came right over there. Okay, right over there. Okay, now it has met its technical target. Now if you go to the weekly time frame, okay, let's take this off. Okay, take that off. If you go to the weekly time frame, you can see that every time it made a head and shoulder pattern, it broke to the upside. So you can see where this, look at this. Now possibility is it can come down over here and then take a bounce like that, and then if it doesn't go this way, then it can come back and try to go up from here. Okay, but that time will tell. But let's jump into Gala. Okay, so we know what Bitcoin is doing, and Bitcoin is moving the market right now. With Gala, we were in this this curve formation, and now we have broken to the downside, and it is moving to the downside. This ascending triangle's technical target was right over there. It broke out right from there, and you can see it has met that target. Okay, the target was met right over here, right over here. So what it's doing is it came here, it went back up. Okay, it went back up, and then we had this resistance for itself. Okay, now you can see in the bigger picture what it's doing. It was supposed to do this, okay, because it broke out of a ascending triangle. So you can bring a case where it's doing something within this channel. Okay, if it does that, great. But if it breaks out of this channel now, it can come back, retest this level here for the technical target, and then maybe take a bounce. If it breaks it, then it's coming down. Where is it coming? Let's check that. Okay, take a Fibonacci, measure this move. Let's just take off the other one right now. Okay, okay. it will come down right over here. See where the technical come here, probably take a bounce, unless we break this resistance line. This resistance line has to be broken to go to the upside, okay? So come here, maybe take a bounce. Maybe, if Bitcoin starts going up, it might come back, do something. See, it's heading its head, something like this. But again, if it doesn't break this, it's creating a descending triangle, okay? You can see. Then it might do something like this. Then it will have another technical target to the downside. If it doesn't work out, okay, then it's going to come over here, okay, but that time will tell. We cannot assume anything at the moment, but the market is going to the downside at the moment, okay. So let's take that off. And if it breaks this resistance, great for Gala. It might just do a reversal. Let's take that off, and judge this whole move, what's going on, okay. The top to the bottom, okay, and you can see that. And if we take this move over here and there, go to the forwardly, put it right there, okay. So this one is a smaller measurement, so it's trying to come down to the 0.682 level, okay, at the moment. And I will mark that right over here, okay. This is where it's trying to come to, because it's coming to the downside. We do have some support here, and the Fibonacci of 0.786 is sitting at 0.41885. 0.41885. Roughly, I'll just put that over there, okay. It might come here, take a bounce, and hopefully bounce to this Fibonacci level of 0.618, and then see what goes on with Gala. But overall, if it breaks this level, it's gonna come down to this support over here, where this bottom was, okay. This support, if it breaks. I'm not saying it will, but the market is in a downtrend at the moment, okay. So, but it's going to be a little bit of a consolidation that will go around over here. Some consolidation will go around in this area, so keep an eye on that. But overall, the market is in a downtrend, and we are creating some bearish patterns at the moment. And if you can just take this off, and you can see that you do have this Fibonacci level for the bigger time frame, and we have some good support over here as well. 0.33, 0.33153. Okay, so these are the levels that it might do some consolidation, because we do have some accumulation that was done in this area. So keep an eye on that, and let's see what's going on with the RSI. Okay, that's in the 4-hourly. Okay, so you can see in the RSI, we were in couple of patterns. Okay, we had this pattern that was going on for Gala. Okay, it repeated the same pattern over here, right over there. But again, we saw when it broke out, it came down, tested its levels. Let me just zoom in. Okay, levels, and came down and then went down, then it broke out. So something similar is going on, with Gala at the moment. But overall, we have to just wait and see what Bitcoin does. But this resistance, once it breaks it, you could just pull this resistance all the way back, like that. Once it breaks it, then you know that reversal is coming, okay? And even if it drops to this level, if there's a reversal pattern that's being formed, then we'll know that we still have time. I'll maybe by tomorrow or day after, it might create some reversal patterns, and then we'll know about that. But overall, market is in a downtrend, so keep these price tags in mind. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. and like the channel, subscribe the channel. Appreciate it. Bye bye.